Hey, good morning. Welcome to another beautiful day God has made. It's a day that is beautiful and I rejoice and I'm glad in it. In case I'm coming your way for this first time, you're just hitting this channel. My name is Kevin Daniel and I am blessed. I live in a place of abundance. I live in a beautiful state. I fly first class. Eh? The lines are falling onto me in pleasant places. I have a goodly heritage. I have the mind of Christ. I have a millionaire mind. I have a sound mind. I am in control of my mind. I am making progress. I am rising up. I am feeling good. I am feeling excited. I am so happy and grateful today because money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am a money magnet. I attract good things. It is well with me. Now you pause this video, open your mouth, and begin to make your own declarations. It is well with me. Declare it. I am rising up. I'm shooting for greatness. I am making progress. I am moving my business forward. I am making progress. It is well with me. Why should you say these things? Number one, the power of life and death is in the tongue. You are justified by your words. You are condemned by your words. So all in all, your words are powerful. They are powerful, powerful, powerful. So you need to begin to check what you say. All right. So when you are done, you can come back to today's video. All right. Today, I want to bring you to conclusion what we have been talking about all this while, which is taking control of your own inner powers. We've looked at taking control of your thoughts, looking at your subconscious and your conscious mind. And that's a whole lot. It's not exhaustible. We have looked at your words. We have looked at your feelings. We have looked at taking action. So what is remaining today? We're going to be looking at the power of repetition, auto-suggestion. What does it mean? It means that you continue to repeat an action until it becomes a second nature. It becomes a habit to you. Most times we don't experience change because we try it, we do it 2-3 times and we stop. We don't break even because we try it, we take action, but we don't follow through. You are told do something that is going to work. You try it the first time, you try it the second time, you try it the third time, you try it the fourth time, and you claim it is not working and you stop. No, the law of auto-suggestion says that you should keep repeating it. As you keep repeating those actions, you are sending a strong message to your subconscious, who is the powerhouse, to your subconscious, who is the person, the man that is there that is going to bring to pass what you desire. It is your subconscious that creates and brings to pass what you desire in your life. It's the one that orchestrates the systems. But you see, for your subconscious to work, the action needs to be repeated over and over and over and over and over and over and over. So I want to encourage you. Part of the actions that you need to take is to understand the law of repetition and continue to repeat that action. So let's say that you want to change your mind, your thoughts. You need to begin to fire new thoughts and you need to repeat that consciously. You need to kill worry consciously over and over. When worry wants to rise up, you kill it. He said, I am not worried. You need to begin to learn the gratitude, the action of gratitude, being grateful. So you wake up every day and you say, I am grateful, I am happy, I am excited, it is well with me, it is working with me. That is action. Now you take that action daily. So repetition. Someone said repetition is the mother of skill. What you keep repeating is what you become skillful at. Repetition is also the mother of change. If you keep repeating an action, you will change into whatever you are doing. If you keep repeating, you're a basketballer, you keep throwing the shot every morning, you throw 100 shots, you will begin to notice that very soon your precision will become better and you can even close your eyes and you throw the shot and you get it. It comes by repetition. It comes by doing it over and over again. So I want to encourage you, Whatever actions you are taking for change, do it over and over. Whatever actions you are doing that want to take would bring about change, I am encouraging you today over and over. Do it over and over. Meditate over and over. Affirm over and over. Listen to that subliminal over and over. Listen to that tape over and over. Do that thing over and over. Keep doing it. Keep repeating it. Keep retweeting it. Keep repeating it until it becomes a habit and a second nature. Once you get to that level of repetition where it has become a habit, it has entered your subconscious, it has entered your life. Why don't you speak positive words, affirmative words over and over until you don't think about the lines? Let me tell you something that has to do with auto suggestion and repetition. You see this car. When I started driving this car, I didn't know how to drive. I went to learn. I always had somebody here and the learner's permit. And then those days I was consciously driving. So when I am driving, I want to ensure that I follow the rules. I know where to match. I know when to do. I actually learned with a manual transmission. So you know when to change the gear from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, and then from 4 to 5. And when you're coming back from 5 to 4, like that until you come back. We have to be conscious when doing that. But when we continue to drive over and over, day in, day out, it became unconscious. We don't need to read the books again. We don't need to look at the book. We don't need to look at anything. We don't need an instruction. We don't need a learner's permit. It has become second nature because of repetition. We have been driving for years now that even if we stop driving for a whole year and we see a car, the driving technique is second nature to us. Once we sit on the driver's seat and we put the ignition, we know what to do and we move the car. How did you learn how to drive? Because you kept repeating the action day in, day out. For you to change your life, you need to repeat the actions. The bad habits that you have came because of repetition. You kept listening to that music. You kept listening to that news. You kept talking to that person. You kept doing that thing. And because you kept doing it and doing it and doing it, it became second nature. It became your habit, which is a wrong habit. So right now, you will need to do the good thing that you want to do over and over and over and over until it becomes your next nature and it removes the old habit. That's how to stop vices. Whatever is weighing you down, whatever habit or attitude that you are wanting to change, you will need to do the new one, which is opposite of what you want to change, and keep doing it for a long time. Do it for 21 days, do it for 30 days, do it for 40 days, do it for 60 days, and before you know it, the habit has been embedded into you and it becomes your second nature. So then you don't need to think before you do it, you just do it. Are you ready to do it? Are you ready to repeat these actions over and over until you see results in your life? If this is resonating with you, like this video. If it is making sense, share. Comment on the session. Have you tried doing something and you stopped halfway? Comment on the session. Let's know. Let's see how we can help ourselves. Do you have a resource that can help people? Post it there. I'd like you to hit the subscribe button so that once I drop a video, you get it. Hit the notification bell so that once this video hits, once I drop subsequent videos, whether you are online or not, you are going to get a notification. All right. So today we conclude on this power of taking over your life, changing your life. We are concluding and we are saying take over your mind, take over your feelings, take over your words, take over your actions, and repeat the process over and over. As you continue to do this, you will see results in your life. God bless you. I'll see you in the next series and in the next video.